Hey everyone, welcome back to iFlera. In this video, I'll show you how to install Rider on your Mac, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or an Apple Silicon model. This guide works for both. If you're a .NET developer, Rider is a powerful cross-platform IDE from JetBrains. It supports C#, ASP.NET, Unity, and more, offering fast performance, advanced code analysis, and great integration with JetBrains tools. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work too. In the search bar, type Download Rider and press Enter. Click on the official JetBrains website in the search results. I've also added the direct link in the description below. Once you're on the download page, choose your Mac version, Intel or Apple Silicon, and click Download. Save the file to your Downloads folder. The download time depends on your internet speed. When it's finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. A window will open. Simply drag the Rider icon into the Applications folder. This will install Rider on your Mac. You can now close the window and delete the installer to save space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch Rider. If you see a message saying Rider was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. On first launch, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. If you have a license key, click Activate Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using Rider for free. And that's it. Rider is now installed on your Mac, and you're ready to dive into development. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips from iFlera. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.